The headquarters of the Justice League. Oh wait, I think the sun is in my eyes a little. No, it's not the Justice League building. It's the one and only Art Deco masterpiece, Cincinnati Museum Center's home, Union Terminal Station. And certainly is the model for the Justice League Hall of Justice from the famous cartoon from the 70s and 80s. What you might notice that's different are these little additions on the edges over here and over there. Oh yeah, it's windy. Even the flagpoles here, they're Art Deco too, down at the bottom. Right there. It's such a beautiful building, and it is massive. Absolutely huge. So not too long ago, they had a big refurbishment on this, and it's well deserving. It's a beautiful building. The museum center is closed today, but this is still an Amtrak train station, and there's a few other things that are inside. First, we're gonna take a look at the outside of the building. Yeah, 1931. I see the cornerstone up there. We're gonna take a look at the outside. Then we'll try to go inside and take a look inside. Every time I come to Cincinnati, I'm just like overwhelmed by this building. It's just so beautiful. If you love Art Deco, this is like your dream place to be. So 1931, this was like the golden age pretty much of railway. So everyone who came into Cincinnati by rail would come through these gates out into the city. Yeah, so it says it's closed. Maybe we can look around the lobby. Yeah, because there's a beautiful mural in here. It's just absolutely amazing in here. And so this is all tile. So it's a mosaic. And it shows all of the various people of the region. And that is a huge flag. And what's cool is like the original ticket windows. You can see those here. And now it's been converted into a museum. Like through here, it still says incoming taxis and motor coaches. I don't believe the trolley didn't that actually come in through here. Buses did. And so those would be where the wings are off of this, and then all your platforms would be out that way. But to think that those are all tiles up there, that's amazing. And we're so lucky that one of the security guards, he let us come in and be on the carpeted part here. Outgoing taxis and motor coaches out that way. So awesome. It's so amazing.
Like even the pole, like the posts,
Yeah.
look how clean they are.
Yeah, even down to these light fixtures in here.
Yeah, they're incredible.
So the security guard in there said that they do walks up through.
Yeah, he said it's
Behind
part
the
of their
clock.
rounds. That ordinarily they only go up to like the 3rd level as part of their rounds, but if they've gotten a whole lot of rain, sometimes they have to go up to the 6th level.
Oh my goodness.
I know, I was like, that must be equal parts terrifying and thrilling. He's like, well, yeah.
Yeah,
But
that's
the
incredible.
clock workings are back behind like the 4th level, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they, like the maintenance technicians have to go back in the walkway in between the inner windows and the outer windows to access the clock machinery. I don't know, it's so neat to think it must be so bright and the view must be incredible. Like on the walkway in between the inner windows and the outer windows. I can't even imagine.
Yeah, you can see out. That's wow. What did he say? It was 160 feet tall to the top of that dome? I think that's what he said.
Yeah, the inner dome inside.
Yeah. Yeah, to the inside of it. And then it's even taller than that because there's catwalks up above what we saw inside. That is incredible.
It's so neat. It's so beautiful in there and out here. I mean, it's a labor of love, and you can tell.
Yeah. It's always so impressive to go in there and see that place. I mean, from the outside, especially at night, it's beautiful.
I love this building.
But yeah, to think that it was in such a state of disrepair and
they repaired it.
Yeah.
You know, so often that doesn't happen. It's just in a state of disrepair and then you're sad about it. But
Yeah.
they cleaned the whole thing. Everything is gorgeous and bright and beautiful, and they replaced tiles that needed replacing.
Yeah.
It does your heart good.
And if you do get a chance to visit Cincinnati like we are right now, yeah, that should be on your list.
It's just breathtaking.
It really is. And then the museum center is awesome too. I've been in there a little bit, but not enough.
Not enough.
So next time. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe and check out our other stuff on our channel. We do like to go travel to different places and see things just like this.